welcome back to my channel. Okay, so we are going to Ikea. So excited. We're going to Ikea. You got a little too happy and burpy. Okay, so we're going to Ikea. I'm so excited because I love Ikea. Yes, I do. We are gonna get some things for the kids' room and hi Melly. No. Hi Melly. You like it? You like that? Hi. I knew he was gonna do that. Hi, Mielis. That's a room? Wait, baby, what happened?
It fell.
It fell? Okay, come on. Cute. You like it? Oh my goodness. Look at these beds, amigas. You like it? Hi, babies. Elise. Okay, here we are. We're gonna look at the beds for the boys.
I used to have something that
Cute. This is so cute. So we are at Ikea. And we did not find the bed for the kids. Get on, baby. We didn't find the bed for the kids. Mom didn't like them. Whatever.
Hey, we got one?
Yeah. So we didn't like them, so whatever. We're just gonna have to get something else. I mean, whatever. I didn't like them, so we're just gonna have to look on Amazon for a bed for them. He wants to get them a really nice one, which I don't blame him. It is an investment, so. Whoa! This cart has like no direction. Okay. Yeah, amigas! Now we're just lost in the sauce at Ikea. We're literally lost in the fucking sauce because there's like no way out of here. There's so many people, you guys. Okay, so we're at Ikea. These are the bars. Amigas, come. Come on. Okay, so we got the bins. Amigas, vamos. We got the bins. I'm so excited. I really don't know how many bins I'm gonna need, so I'm just estimating. Baby, amigas, vamos. It's so hot. I'm sweating. I don't know who told me to wear this long sleeve. Where's their AC? I think their AC is broken. They're just fucking hot. It's hot as fuck. Shit, it's hot here. Do they got water? Let's get water. This goddamn bitch. I'm about to dehydrate. Okay, so we're here with the game.
Yeah, let's go, bro.
We got some bins.
Mama.
¿Te la abro? Cógela. So we came, well, my mom came to eat and I met up with them. And we're at a buffet. I ate fish with some broccoli. No, mommy. And pretty much my whole plate was seafood. I am on a diet, so I'm on a calorie deficit diet. Today is Sunday, so today I've been just relaxing. I haven't been taking it too serious. Obviously, I'm still not eating rice. I'm not drinking any sodas, any juices. I really want some ice cream, but I'm not gonna give in. I'm not gonna drink the ice cream. I'm chilling. Ikea was a success. It went so well. I got some oil and vinegar on my skirt, which I'm really annoyed about, and I'm just gonna have to go home and like try to get it out. So my mom ate a little piece of fish. Okay, so pretty much what this lady is doing, right? So my mom, it's so funny. That's annoying. My mom said they're starving. That's fucking crazy. So pretty much my mom did not grab a plate. She did not eat. But because she picked up a piece of ham from my plate, because I was feeding the kids. So basically, because she picked up a piece of ham, I don't blame her. That's annoying. That's not cool. So pretty much what happened, mommy, it's okay. It's $13. It's okay. It's okay, mom. It's okay. It's okay.
¿Cuál plato?
Pues por según el plato que te cogiste.
¿Cuál plato que yo cogí?
Prácticamente
Lo mueves.
Mom, it's okay.
Y se pasa limpiando lo que están haciendo.
Yeah, so pretty much they're gonna charge my mom. They're gonna charge. Okay, so my mom did not get a plate. She didn't eat because she had already ate. Okay. Run this shit back. Let me explain to you guys what happened. So I was gonna go to my mom's. Nelly, hold on. But my mom wasn't home. My mom wasn't home. So yeah, baby. Naranja. Orange. You like that. You like orange. You like it? So pretty much, okay, so I was gonna go to my mom's house, but my mom wasn't home. So my mom was at the buffet. It's my stepfather's birthday. Cool. I called my mom. She said to come. So I was like, all right, cool. I pulled up with the kids. The lady was like, no. The table's too small. La-di-da-di-da. And we're like, no, we're chilling. Like, the table's not even small. Like, we're good. Like, the kids are on our laps, but like, whatever. Then she goes like, okay, I'm not gonna eat. My mom. She was like, but my daughter's gonna eat. And she was like, okay, that's fine. So I got my plate and then I got another plate for the kids. And my mom picked up a piece of ham from the kids' plate and she ate it. And the lady said that she saw her eating through the cameras and that she's gonna charge her because she was eating. My mom was like, but I didn't even get a plate. I had one bite of ham. And she was like, no, but you were eating, so we're gonna charge you. Bitch, she didn't even get a fucking plate. So then I come and I tell her, I was like, look, since you're gonna charge her already for eating a piece of ham, can she take the plate that you're gonna charge her for home? She's like, no, look, I'll be fair. I'll charge her a kid's price. Kids price? That was an expensive bite. Because goddamn, my mom took one bite of the ham. One bite. And now she's getting charged like she ate a whole plate. Cool. Cool. Boom! And I got that on camera. That's so annoying. I need a mount for the car.
Does it like not like stick here?
No, it doesn't stick there. Why would it stick there? Okay guys, what's good? What's goody two shoes? So I just got my nails done. Me and Gray went to get our nails done. So Gray got a pedicure. They charged him $22, bitch.
For like a 10 minutes.
That shit was like 10 minutes long. Me, I got just painted. I just painted my nails. They just painted them. Very cute, very nice. $22, bitch. That shit was mad money. Next time I'm just gonna suck it up and do it at home like I used to. God, so not. I'm gonna fluff up my hair because I literally air dried today, so my hair is like all stuck. Oh wow. We ran out of memory. Not memory, the fucking battery. Wow, that's fucking hilarious. We're about to go to Home Depot.
You don't have another battery?
I do, when I left them because I thought this one was charged. We're about to go to Home Depot. I'm gonna get some black paint for my wall in my living room. Gray, we're about to go get some dressing for my salad. I got a salad and that shit had no dressing. Gray ate the salad without dressing.
Yeah, cause like, I don't know, I didn't know what to think.
You thought it was supposed to be dry like that?
Well, like, I wish there was dressing, but I didn't.
That shit was mad dry. I was literally, how were you eating that? You were killing it.
Yeah, I can't even lie. It was the cheese. I was just putting some cheese in there.
The cheese was good, but shit. Damn, I do need a mount. Yeah, so we're about to go get my dressing. Then we're gonna go get some black paint. ¿Le quieres decir algo a Titi Nati's baby? Yes. You want to say something to Titi Nati's baby?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
You.
Sorry. What do you want to say? ¿Le quieres decir algo? You want to say something to Titi Nati's baby? Okay. Ready? Okay, say, hi, Maya. Yes. Okay, I'm going to turn it off.
No.
Say, hi, Maya.
Oh, no, 이거 돼야. 나 뽑해.
Say, hi, Maya.
하마가.
Say, hi, like baby. Hi, Maya.
Hi guys. 이거 이 삐삐 이 아빠 나나 핫도
Hot dog.
번
Fun. Baby. It's hi, Maya.
아이고 아이고 밤마미 말도도 에이 이거 하 Bye.
What is up with this? What does that mean?
Bye, guys.
You didn't even take anything out. Because I don't want to ruin it. It looks so cute.